Owasungula Please Call Me uNkosana Makete uthi imgqilaze kakhulu impi yakhe no-Vodacom edonse iminyaka engaphezulu kwama-20. Uthi angeke adikibale kuze kube uVodacom umkhokhela kumfanele. Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli yasichitha isiphakamiso sika-Vodacom sokukhokhela Makete u-47 wezigidi zamarandi. Ijaji Wendy Hughes uyalele inkampani ukuba ikhokhe imali emfanele yanikeza le nkampani umnqamlajuqu wenyanga ukuba ize nesinqumo.
For any individual, I mean, that fights a company as big as Vodacom for the time that I've fought them. I mean, it will take a toll on you, but I guess one has grown in terms of resistance, understanding and tolerance. And we are, I think, getting closer to ending the matter.
uMakete uthi ujabule ngesinqumo senkantolo samanje.
We celebrate the judgment, the solid judgment of Judge Hughes today that was delivered. We're happy with the acceptance of what we had put before the courts. We've always put facts before the court, and it's not conjecture or opinions. What Vodacom is saying is opinions. It's never supported by any court, including the CC.
Ebuzwa ngomthwalo wezemali kanye nezikweletu ezenzeke kule minyaka elwa lempi, uMakete uthi le mali imfanele. Inkantolo ephakeme iphinde yayalela ukuthi uMakete akhokhele amaphesenti amahlanu imali eyenziwe nguVodacom ngo-Please Call Me phakathi ku-2001 no-2021. iVodacom ithi izosiphosela inselele lesinqumo